So, we've talked, I mean, God, we've talked at length about this, haven't we, folks? There's our big fat downtrend line. Chugga, chugga, chugga. 1, 2, 3 tags. So that's legit. If we can break out and then put in what letter of the alphabet do we need to see on the other side of this trend line? Can somebody please help me? There you go, big fat W, right? If we can get some sort of big fat W to come in here. I really don't like the look of this. This, to me, this is sloppy. But you can see there's top end of the range, bottom end of the range. You can see these damn wicks and tails just define the range. Interestingly enough, if we actually change this to a line chart, this is awfully tough, though. But you can see, oh boy, look at what's coming in there. So that's interesting. I would personally prefer that it's a little bit better defined of a bottom. I hate when it does this wicks and tails kind of crap. I would personally prefer to see this a little bit more price exploration. But, sometimes, I guess beggars can't be choosers. If we start seeing that the market is getting up above this level up in here, I like the idea that this is sort of our line in the sand. If we do start getting up into here, then you can start thinking about hunting bullish bot setups, trend continuation trades, and we just start slowly what they call climbing the wall of worry as we make higher highs and higher lows. So that's encouraging. Probably the one part of crypto market that's got my attention right now isn't so much Bitcoin, but the DeFi space. And really the question ultimately is, what the hell's going on with Ethereum here? Because Ethereum hasn't really participated with everybody else. I mean, you can see there just isn't that much of a rally there, is there? But the interesting thing about Ethereum is this was the original bottom that I bought. Remember, I bought this thing at actually $1,000, eh? So I got pretty lucky there back in the summer. I was able to stab in there and buy it 1,000. But interestingly enough, if you actually look at this from here to here, and then we just do reload zones, notice what we've done here. All we've done is just banged into Mountain Man and really the original market structure bottom. That's all that's gone on here. It's kind of ironic, eh? I suppose one might argue that we could go A to B. And the question is this done? C to D. Ooh, hello. Is this actually, where's Steven and Igor and all the harmonicans? Is this not a harmonic? Eddie, you're doing harmonics right now. Is that not a harmonic? It looks awfully close, eh? Is it when we see 50%? Gartley 61.8. Butterfly is I just can't even see. I'm getting old. 78.6. 38.2 to 61.8 could be a crab. Oh no. Ooh, 38.2 to 50%. And interesting, the bat pattern, it wants to see 88.6 for the point D. So 88.6, that is basically that yellow line there. Is there one more dump in Ethereum to hit that number, and we got ourselves a big fat bullish bat? I gotta tell you, that's looking pretty darn compelling. So I'd keep a close eye on this. Now, we did make a lower low there, right? So, and that is an M. Is this sort of the tell that we need to be hunting for the bottom? I kind of like that thinking. I will say in the very short term, and I was, like I said, I was mapping this out with Stuart early this morning. Very, very short term, although this doesn't really, well, I guess there it is. So very short term, is this a bullish bot? It is interesting how this is a V bottom. So V bottoms, I don't really like to hunt bots off of. V bottoms, they're notoriously unsustainable. But for those people that are like Brian, I trade. So I draw my levels and I just take the damn trades. Again, I don't really like the way this set up either. That looks messy as hell. But if this is going to A, B, C, D its way out, then what it's really saying is it wants to work its way back up into this 1400 area.